have in personal injury for our viewers, just to let you know, like physicians, lawyers are subspecialized these days. You have attorneys that do family law, immigration law, malpractice law, and Mr. Samico does personal injury. That is when there's an accident involved, a person, a car, or whatever things, then he would be the one. Now, why does somebody want to get a lawyer if you get hurt or you have a car accident? Why not just, call your insurance company and say, I got in an accident and pay me $4,000 to repair my car?
Well, there's two things that are going on, doctor. The first is that there's reparation, resolution, repair for the vehicle.
Okay.
And your question is very well taken if it revolves around the car. Realistically, most of the time you don't need an attorney to have the insurance company fix your car or pay you for the value if it's declared to be a total loss, or to help you put you into a rental car. This is not what we do.
Gotcha.
I do these things as a courtesy to my clients. I don't charge for it, but I mean, these are the minor things.
Insurance will take care of that.
They will.
Yeah.
The other part is injury to a body, where you have been injured, you need medical care, services, treatment, what have you. I tell people that I have a job because the insurance industry does not do what it's supposed to do. The insurance industry is not your friend. They don't do what they need to do. So it takes people like me, attorneys, to push them up against the wall, to threaten going into the courtroom if we can't resolve the matter amicably, to get a fair resolution of the case.
Gotcha.
So because the insurance industry, I like to call them the bad guys. I like to call them the dark side. And that's not to say that it's made up of individuals who are necessarily that way.
It's the industry.
It's the institution. There was a time in our country's history when we relied on insurance. It was like our bank. We loved that we had the protection, because one disaster, one calamity could wipe us out. But wait, we have the insurance behind us. Oh, thank goodness.
Right.
Well,
now you worry.
It's changed. Now the insurance is about collecting the premiums, denying making payments, stalling making payments, because for every little dollar or $5 that they don't pay today, it's sitting in their bank drawing
Earning
interest
and dividends.
And so if they can stall something for 6 months on all of these cases to pay out one claim, they don't necessarily even take a dip in their bottom line, because that was interest they earned while they were stalling.
Right.
So with the attorney, we are able to push them and move it forward and get resolution of these cases faster and more appropriate in the entire picture of things. And we can do that because we have the ability to file a lawsuit and go to court. That's what I do.
Right. If they don't pay. Hey, can I hire you to collect my medical insurance cases?
Well, you see, now we're not talking about injuries,
Okay.
but we do have a collection bureau that we can put you in touch with.
We can put, exactly.
Yes, absolutely.
Exactly.